Hey, Smitty.
Yeah, what's up?
You've been riding bikes for a long time. What's the best piece of advice you've ever gotten?
Best piece of advice I've ever gotten. Oh, here's a good one. When you're riding your motorcycle, you can fart as much as you want to. But if you stop and you still smell it, that wasn't a fart.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and roll that intro so you don't lose any more subscribers.
that's a damn fine idea. Hey, what's up, y'all? So today I'm going to talk about just a few basic things I'm going to be doing with the bike. I've spoke to you guys before about the purchase of the new bike. I think right now, because a lot of people are getting their Stimmy, there's quite a few bikes for sale. I've noticed the prices have kind of fluctuated because people are thinking, oh, everybody's fixing to get their Stimmy, get a little more money for our ride. So I've got nothing but time and patience. But while I'm waiting, I know I've talked about things I want to do to Daphne Blake. I want to do some basic stuff first. First thing I'm going to do is going to be the tires. These are the original tires on Daphne Blake from 2014. They don't have a ton of miles on them, and they don't look bad. I don't really have any dry rot spots, but man, 7-year-old tires, yeah. But one of the first things I'm going to do is replace those. And then the battery. I'm pretty sure that when I bought the bike from Wild West out in Katy, they put a new battery in it because the bike had been shipped, but I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I keep it on a trickle charger and I've got a jump pack, but I don't want to be out in the middle of nowhere and have to keep using my jump pack. So I'll probably put a new battery on it just because. Other thing I'm going to do, and it's just a basic thing to make my life easier, is I'm going to buy a lift. I have one of those Harbor Freight lifts that for a Harley that has a split and then the two rails on it. That you can lift up a bike that has frame rails. Well, that's the thing about the Gold Wing. The motor is an exposed member of the frame on the bottom. I've got my skid pan, but I'd feel more comfortable with one of the lifts that you actually ride the bike up on. So I'm looking at your lift from Harbor Freight, and I'm looking at a lift from Discount Ramps because both those lifts look pretty good. The Discount Ramp one's a little more expensive, but I think it might be worth it. It's got some really good reviews. The other thing is I've got my good buddy Clayton that we've talked about and seen in videos before at CCF Off-Road. I'm gonna have him do some custom fab on a sissy bar for me. I'm not gonna go into detail what it's gonna be. That's gonna be much different than the stock, and I'm pretty excited about it. And I'm probably gonna have him do a lot of other custom fab for the bike parts that I just can't get anywhere because you Valkyrie riders out there know what I'm talking about. There's just not a ton of custom parts for us. I'm gonna have Clayton do some work for me. I'm excited. It's my buddy's small business. He does a lot of stuff with it's off-road. He does stuff with the Polaris Rangers and he does stuff with your side-by-sides, and man, he's got some cool trick stuff. Clayton's a great guy, and I'm looking forward to what we can do together. He's like me. Up here, there's like a lot going on, and I'm excited to see what he comes up with for me. I'm gonna do some things with Daphne Blake. I'm gonna turn her into a little bit of a bagger. I'm thinking about buying a set of saddle bags, maybe some Viking bags, and then I would probably have those custom painted and do some crazy things. I want to change the look of this bike up, I believe, within the next 6 months. Those are the few of the things I plan on doing. When it comes to tires, what I want to ask some of you Valkyrie riders is, what tires did you put on your bike? Now that I'm talking about doing that, I've got the Dunlops on there. Never had any issues with them, but I see people on the forums doing different tires. So you Valkyrie riders that follow the forum, I know Craig Rupert, I don't know if you changed to a different tire or not, but this would be a chance for you to tell me what you changed to. Any of you other guys who ride Valkyries or that have other bikes, what tires do you recommend? I've usually used Dunlops and I've used Avons before, but there's not a lot of options for the Valkyries, so it's Dunlops, and I think there's some people using Continental and I think some Michelins maybe, but I haven't researched it enough to really know. So if you've got a tire that you think is awesome, hey, let me know so I can do that. Batteries are batteries, but I'll do the battery install video, and I'm gonna go over to Clayton's shop when he starts doing some of the custom work and show some of that because I'm pretty excited about some of that. So some simple stuff: tires, battery, which is basic maintenance stuff. Saddle bags. I have a set of bags out there that besides Viking bags that would look cool on this bike or would fit well and would do well to be custom painted. Hey, let me know so I can give them a look and see what I can do. Anything else that you guys think would be cool, let me know because I'm gonna start doing some crazy things to her. But that's my goals, and like I said, I just want to share with you what I plan on doing. I also want to get your feedback and you guys tell me what you think would look cool, what you think is a good idea, what brands do you trust. Give a brother a hand if you don't mind. Hit me up, leave something in the comments for me. Leave me a DM on Instagram. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you recommend. And let me know what things you want to see me do that you'd be looking forward to. Hey, y'all, just want to say thanks for watching. Remember, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that little bell icon so you get notifications when I make these videos. Hey, again, I'm asking for your feedback. I've told you some things I'm going to do. But if you know a certain brand of tires or a battery or saddlebags or anything else you'd like to see me do to Daphne Blake, if you've got a brand, hey, give me an idea. Shoot me a DM. Leave it in the comments. Tell me what you think, and we'll go from there. And if I decide to use whatever brand that you recommend or that you told me I should, hey, I'll throw your name in the video and let everybody know that I appreciate your help, because I really do appreciate you guys' feedback. Again, thanks for watching. I want you guys to have a great day. Let's try not to be assholes to each other, and I'll see y'all next time.